Hey guys, it's me, Kat, and today I'm here with another video of Towers of Hell. And yeah, I'm gonna try to win, cause boo, I've never won this account basically, and I started playing it on this account I don't know, a week ago. And on my other account, my biggest regret to log out, I had everything. I had Robux, I had a lot of wins over here and stuff. So that's the girl's bigger regret over here. And today we're gonna try to win, but I bet we won't. And if I need more time, I'll just go to the pro servers, even though I was a pro for some time. I mean, I would not say I'm not pro, but yeah. Look, man. No, look, man. Okay, this looks easy. Come on. It's easy for a second. Wait. This person looks like my friend Bob. What is this? Schnitzels. Okay, come on. I thought it would be easier. Okay, this is one of my friends. Her name is Tredic Tree. She friended me because she plays Adopt Me, and I accepted because I love Adopt Me. Okay, we're doing this. Okay, they're getting bigger, which is better. Come on, there's more of this stupid stuff. Okay, that person is already on the... Wow, dude, Come on! That was doing pretty good. Oh well. And ignore me if I sing these songs. They're from TikTok, so yeah. I thought that would be better. But for this one, I never think I've done it. I watched Pink Leaf's video, and he's such a good... I'm not gonna talk about it anymore. How about that? It's already with the minusing 2 on 5. Okay, boo. It's okay. We'll just try to do this and wait for the other one. No. I'm just gonna keep minusing there. And that boy over there is pretty good. Not me. Not me, dude. Let's see if he understands this. Yeah, he does. Start content, dude. There were... No! You are odd. Okay. I am kinda. I'm doing my homework. My mother maybe does not. My mother sometimes, just once in my whole entire life, let me play while doing my homework. Ever since, never. Comment down below if your mother lets you play Roblox or any game like that. Any device game when you're doing homework. I don't, because I get too distracted. I don't play roleplay games anymore. I play, for example, I'm talking too much. Whatever. Okay, I'm just gonna try to be quiet and do this. Come on. Whatever. Should I go to the other server? Okay, whatever. Yeah, I'm using anyways. Yes. Okay. Oh, I think, yeah, I've done this and I don't like this. Yeah, see what I mean? That stupid dot. Stupid. Sorry, ignore that. Okay, we're gonna. Ah! Why does Tower of Hell hate me so much? Like, oh, what did I do to you, boo? Okay, we're gonna. Yes! Oh, I could do this. Okay, we better have to try to win this one, dude. No! If I. Ah! Stupid stuff. I'm gonna reach quit. That happens again, then I'm gonna go to the pro servers, even though I'm not pro, but it gives you more time. Sometimes it could be easy. Much more easier than this. So I don't think it's. I should do yoga. I learn not to rage. Yeah. Oh, I've done this. Not fun. Not good. I was gonna say that. Okay. As I said, we're going in here. See, it gives you 9 minutes. Pretty good, huh? Oh. Full of lasers. Stupid, but what? Schnitzels. Pretzels. Actually, I was eating pretzels. I forgot what to call it, but it's not pretzels. It's like bread pretzel version. Makes sense? I hate Tower of Health now. At any means. This is easy, but look at okay. We'll go here because why now? I never tried it. Not even once in my life. I want to lip ink. My friend taught me how to beatbox, and you don't beatbox like that. You can say boots and cat, boots and cat. And today we had a show from school. There was this guy that was beatboxing. He was pretty good. He was like, not boots and cat, but I don't even know how he does that. By beatboxing, learning, I guess. We could say that I'm not even learning. All I'm saying is sketch. That does not make me learn it really. But we could go and say like that.